Hi guys, and welcome to a new episode on my 60-inch laser from Pilot RC. Today's video is about the few little modifications I did and the final livery you can see here, and also a short fun flight. Before we start with the video, I like to say big thanks to today's sponsor, which is PCBWay. Looking for top-notch manufacturing solutions for your RC project or other projects? PCBWay.com is your partner for precision CNC machining, state-of-the-art 3D printing, and high-quality PCB fabrication and assembly. Check out PCBWay.com today. Link in the video description. Thanks to PCBWay.com for supporting this video. So let's jump now into the video and have a closer look to the mods and the short flight. Before I started to make the final livery, I had to repair a piece of the film which came off after the first few flights on the right wing. So I used the heat gun with 140 degrees around and a glove just to get it back on the wing nice and sticky without any bubbles. Then I started to make the whole vector files for all the stickers I put on the plane. For this I used Silhouette Studio. Then I cut the first parts of the Oracle 751 film to make it fit into the plotter and plotted the first logos and letters. Working with the Silhouette Studio works pretty well. The vector files are pretty easy to make. It's some work, but it's not difficult work. It just needs some time to get nice results for all your plotted stickers. I always use online files as a basis. Then I modify the files on the Silhouette Studio and finally get these nice looking plotted stickers. Then I use pre-cut transfer foil to get the stickers on the wing, then cleaned with a silicone cleaner, removed all the dirt from the wing before I put on the sticker, then put it on the first sticker on the wing. First I had to rub the transfer foil onto the sticker to make sure that the sticker will come off pretty clean. It's a bit tricky to avoid any bubbles putting on these stickers, just because I cannot use a wet solution to put it on, just because the surface is not strong, because you have the film which is a soft surface and you cannot rub the water and liquid out of the sticker. So I use the dry solution to put on the sticker. And especially on this big one I had some issues with a lot of bubbles, so I had to use my scalpel and my heat gun to remove all the bubbles. On the right side, downside, you can see all the bubbles I had at the beginning. Second part I did was the wheel covers. I decided to put on some Sketcher decals on these parts. I had to make sure that the stickers are positioned perfectly centered, so I marked the wheel covers and the stickers to get perfect center position. Then I also put the Hobby Wing logo onto the elevator. The smaller stickers were pretty easy to put on, no big deal with the bubbles. When you take your time and after a few weeks or a few months even, all the small bubbles will be gone. Then I had to do the first modification. It's about the wing twist I had because the aileron wasn't centered when the plane was flying straight. So I had to change the position of the wing rods. For this I had to file the holes in the fuselage and change the position of the wing. Like this you can avoid wing twist and get perfectly flat aileron when the plane is flying straight. Then I opened the air intake for the ESC on the cowl. This helps to get more fresh air directly onto the ESC. The ESC was the warmest electronic part on the plane, so I decided to open it up, just filed it and get a nice shape. Like this you get perfect air directly onto the ESC, as you can see here. And in my opinion it also looks a bit nicer with the opened air intake. Then I changed the elevator range. Stock servo horn was too small to get a perfect range, to get the maximum of range. So I put it on a longer servo horn, and with this I really reached all the limits of the elevator. I also made some 2.5mm custom carbon fiber shims to make the motor fit perfect and get a nice and tight gap between the cowl and the spinner. This is it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next one. Have a good time. Happy flying. Bye bye.